Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Club. Hope you are doing well. So today our question is x plus y is equal to 4 and x times y is equal to 16. So we need to find the value of x and y here. Now let us consider it is our equation 1. So it is our second equation. Now we can just write here our equation 1 that is x plus y is equal to 4. So now here we just write that y is equal to 4 minus x. Just by shifting this x we get 4 minus x. So it is our equation 3. Now here equation 2 is x times y is equal to 16. So our equation 2 is x times y is equal to 16. But y from equation 3 is y is equal to 4 minus x. We are going to put this value here. Then we get x times y is 4 minus x, which is equal to 16. So now multiplying by x, we get 4 times x is 4x and minus x times x is x squared. Shifting this one, we get minus 16 is equal to 0. So now here if we rearrange this one, then we get minus x squared plus 4 times x minus 16 is equal to 0. So now if we remove this sign here, then we have to multiply by minus 1 on both hand sides. So here we get x squared minus 4 times x and minus plus 16 is equal to 0. So now we can find on this quadratic equation here by using quadratic formula. So here we see that we have value of a is equal to 1 because coefficient of this x squared is 1 and value of b is minus 4. Here it is minus 4 and c is equal to 16. So now using quadratic formula, then x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Putting values, we get minus times minus is plus, we just put here plus 4 and then plus minus square root of b, which is minus 4 whole square, we get here 16 and minus 4 times a, value of a here it is 1 and value of c is 16 all over 2 times a is 1, so 2 times 1. Now x is equal to, here x is equal to 4 plus minus here 16 and we have minus 16 fours. When we multiply this we get 64 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So our next step is here 4 plus minus here 16 minus 64 we get 48. But if we write this one like square root of that just 48, let us consider we just write 48 and times, because it is minus 48, so we just put here minus 1 all over 2. So here x is equal to 4 plus minus 48 can be written as 16 times 3, which is equal to 48, and we just write separately here 48 and then minus 1 square root. We just write here square root of minus 1 all over 2. Now here 4 plus minus 16 square root is equal to 4 and then square root of 3 minus 1 square root is equal to iota all over 2. By taking 2 is common, we get 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3 all over 2. So cancelling 2 with 2, we have final values of x, which is x is equal to, here x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3i. Now here we have two values of x. So first is x1 is equal to 2 plus positive 2 square root of 3i, and another value is x2 is equal to 2 minus 2 times square root of 3i. So these are two values of x here. Now we have to find the value of y, but we just recall our equation 3, which is y is equal to 4 minus x. So y is equal to 4 minus x is y is equal to 4 minus x. Sorry, here it is x. We just write on both sides here, and for both values of x, y is equal to 4 minus x. So we have to find the value of y for these two cases. Now y is equal to 4 minus here value of x which is x1, that is 2 plus square 2 times square root of 3I. So here minus value of x, we just put here x1, so it will be y1, and 2 plus 2 square root of 3I. Then y1 is equal to 4 minus 2, here 4 minus 2 minus 2 times square root of 3I. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, so y1 is equal to 2 minus 2 times square root of 3I. So it is our value of y1 when x1 is equal to this one, that 2 plus 2 square root of 3I. Now we are going to find value of y2 by putting this value of x2 in this equation. Then y is equal to, it will be y2, so 4 minus, here value of x2 is 2 minus 2 square root of 3I. Now by multiplying this negative sign, we get 4 minus 2 minus time minus is plus 2 times square root of 3I. And now y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 2 times square root of 3I. So it is our value of y2. Now we have just find out values of x and y for this problem. Now if we write here that value of x and y, then we have, when x is this one, 2 plus 2 times square root of 3I, then value of y for this is 2 minus 2 times square root of 3I. And similarly, when x2 is 2 minus 2 times square root of 3, then value of y is positive, which is 2 plus 2 times square root of 3I. So these are actually two values of x and two values of y. Now we are going to just check our problem here by using these values. We can use any pair of values of x and y for this problem. So our equation, first equation is x plus y is equal to 4, and our second equation is x times y is equal to 16. Now putting value of x and y here, we just use here first pair of values. So putting value of x here, 2 plus 2 times square root of 3I, and plus y is 2 minus 2 times square root of 3I is equal to 4. So here positive and negative can be cancelled. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, so 4 is equal to 4. Hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now our equation 2 is putting value of x, which is 2 plus 2 times square root of 3I times 2 minus 2 times square root of 3I is equal to 16. We have to check on this value here, value of x and y for this equation. So here we know that it is our a, here it is our a plus b, and it is our a minus b. So using here algebraic formula, a squared minus b squared, then we get 2 squared minus 2 times square root of 3I whole squared is equal to 16. So 2 squared is equal to 4, and it will be 2 squared is equal to 4. Square root cancel with this one, we get times 3, and I squared is equal to minus 1. So our next step is here 4 minus time minus is plus, 4 3s are 12, so 4 plus 12 is equal to 16, hence 16 is equal to 16. So our left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence our answer is true for this problem. So it is our final answer, that value of x, y, it is first pair and it is second one. We just write it is our final answer. So now checking our entire solution here step by step. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, you have understand all these steps one by one. If you have any problem, just ask a question in comment box. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.